Daswell has focused on the calcium carbonate powder making and coating for over 39 years. With rich experience and advanced technology, we helped our customer install and operate a calcium carbonate powder coating line successfully within 1 month. This project is located in Egypt. They need coat the calcium carbonate powder for meeting the market requirements. We customized a set of production line for them. It includes PLC system, grinding system, classifying machine, and the key coating equipment. The PLC system makes sure the high efficiency. Ball grinding mill has high accuracy for making fine calcium carbonate powder. With the classifying machine, all the finished products are qualified, ensuring calcium carbonate powder is fine enough for coating. And our vortex mill coating machine utilizes high-speed rotor and vortex mixing technology, coating powders uniformly. After the installation, our technical engineer tested the production line on site, ensuring the machines operate smoothly with efficiency. Our customer was satisfied with our equipment and services. If you are looking for advanced powder making solutions, welcome to contact us. We are looking forward to cooperating with you.